Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into something truly special, the all-new 2026 Toyota Motorhome. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time traveler, this vehicle promises comfort, innovation, and Toyota's legendary reliability all rolled into one sleek mobile home. Let's take a detailed look and see if this is the adventure machine you've been waiting for. First impressions matter, and the exterior of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome doesn't disappoint. Toyota has gone for a modern aerodynamic design that stands out while still being practical on the road. The front fascia carries a bold grille with sleek LED headlights, giving it a futuristic but grounded look. Smooth body lines, lightweight panels, and an extended roofline show that this isn't just a van with a bed in the back. It's been engineered from the ground up as a true motorhome, with optional two-tone paint, matte black accents, and aluminum alloy wheels. The motorhome looks stylish parked at a campsite or cruising down the highway. Integrated side steps and a powered awning add convenience and curb appeal, making every stop feel like a planned retreat. Stepping inside, Toyota has truly embraced comfort and utility. The interior feels surprisingly spacious thanks to the smart layout and high ceiling. The use of eco-friendly premium materials adds a touch of luxury without compromising on durability. The front cabin offers ergonomic seating with heating and ventilation, while the dashboard features a new 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen with built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice command support. The rear living space has a convertible dinette, a queen-sized Murphy bed, a compact kitchenette with induction stove and microwave, plus a mini fridge and ample storage. Even the bathroom is well designed, featuring a wet bath setup with upgraded fixtures and a skylight for natural light. Soft LED lighting throughout creates a cozy vibe, and multiple USB ports, outlets, and wireless charging pads make it easy to stay connected and powered up. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is no slouch. Powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid engine paired with an ECVT transmission, it delivers a combined output of around 245 horsepower, enough to confidently handle highway speeds and hilly terrain while still being Toyota's all-wheel drive system is available as an option, which is a game-changer for those who want to take the road less traveled. Handling is smooth, and the suspension has been tuned specifically for the motorhome body, ensuring a stable ride even when fully loaded. The regenerative braking system adds an extra layer of efficiency, especially during long descents or stop-and-go traffic. Let's talk about pricing. The base model starts at around $62,000, which is competitive, considering the build quality, technology, and features included. The mid-level trim adds a WD upgraded solar panels and a lithium battery package, bringing it closer to $72,000. The fully loaded version, with premium audio, advanced driver assist systems, and luxury interior finishes, goes up to about $79,000. For what you get, it's a solid value, especially compared to custom builds or high-end competitors. So that wraps up our review of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. Whether you're planning weekend escapes or a long-term journey, this could be the perfect blend of comfort, capability, and Toyota's trusted performance. Let us know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews. Safe travels, and see you on the road.